Hey guys, welcome to Growth Traders. So, in this video, we are going to have a look at a few amazing trade setups for the short term, which you can obviously play out in intraday or in positional basis. So, yes, guys, let's just have a look at them without further delay. So, yes, the first one which I have on my list is, of course, DLF. So yes, DLF is absolutely looking strong. You can see its daily time frame. uh, the overall price action looks good for a reversal and a rally towards its all-time high. So yes, let's just have a look at its weekly. So yes, on the weekly time frame you have this support area from where the price has actually reversed. So yes, if you plot the fib retracement levels from around this mark, so yes, again it falls around the golden zone from where the price has reversed. So if I just head over 2 hour daily time frame, so you can see here clearly that the price has broken out this trend line which I've marked in this case with a strong momentum. It has also retested, it has formed a higher low, which is an important structure for the short term. So obviously the price is yet to break the last high from where the price has reversed for a quick retracement. So yes guys, it is looking pretty strong. We shall be waiting for it to break the previous high. If I were to talk about today's intraday price action, so yes, it was pretty strong. The stock has gone up with a strong momentum and volume, as you can see in our hourly time frame. So yes, we shall be waiting for it to clear this high, which turns out to be around 393, and eventually head up to 400 in the short term. So yes, you can play this out in options, right? So you can probably go for 380 or 390 call option positional basis. Of course the expiry is approaching, so do not hold for long. Why? Because you have the decay factor going strong around this time. So yes, just keep that in mind. And if I were to talk about this, yes, cash entries can be definitely made with a stop loss of around 378. That is that roughly falls around this trend line. So yes, cash positions you can definitely make it. If I were to talk about the volumes, yes, they are strong, so just wait for it. For tomorrow you just need to wait for the price to break today's high and eventually clear today's high with a strong momentum and volume, right? So that should be the trade setup for tomorrow. PDH previous day high breakout can be a nice entry point. So yes, just wait for a retracement. So I'm talking about something like this. If it breaks today's high and eventually it gives a pullback, you can make your entry at around here with a stop loss of around the day low, right? So that can be your trade, and the immediate target can be approximately your 393 followed by 400 for the short term. So yes, that is the trade setup, guys, that I am trying to play out on DLF. So yes, just wait for it to play out and you can trade this, of course, right? So let's head over to our next trade setup. That is your RBL Bank, right? So of course RBL Bank, it has fallen a lot from its highs, and the stock has been in a consolidation range for quite some time now, as you can see around here. And today, especially for the last two trading sessions, the price has been strong. The volumes are looking great, and actually today the price has broken out this high. You can see it out pretty clearly, right? It has given a closing above this 102 level. So eventually I'm expecting it to head over to our 100 period exponential moving average in our daily time frame, followed by this low, right? So it should fill up this gap eventually if the volume and the momentum continues. So again, the trade setup here is going to be pretty much same. Just wait for the price to break previous day high and you can trade this on options as well as in the cash market. So yes, that is the trade setup on RBL Bank. Of course, PSU banks are doing great as of now, so I am expecting it to go up in the next one or two trading sessions. The next trade setup which I have on my list is Bandhan Bank, right? So Bandhan Bank is looking pretty good, especially in our daily time frame. Let's just wait for it to switch. So you can see it out pretty clearly here. That price was in a consolidation range. The low was approximately about your 266, right? And the high is around your probably 293. So yes, for the past three trading sessions the stock has been going up and volumes are looking great. So yes, again, you can expect a breakout of this area pretty soon, right? So if I just head over to the 5 minutes time frame, so yes, we can see, the stock is pretty much range bound. So just wait for it to break this high, after which we can see it reaching approximately this 293 and eventually 300 in the short term, right? So that is my trade setup on Bandhan Bank, right? The next one which I have on my list is of course Kotak Mahindra Bank. So again, it was really strong. If I show you the daily time frame, yes, this is an absolute massive candle, 3.5% upside movement in just one trading session. So yes, again, it has broken out from around this falling wedge kind of a pattern. Of course, I don't really care about that. What matters to me is the volume and the momentum, and eventually, this high has been taken out today. So if I head over to the hourly time frame, it has broken out from around this consolidation area and has given a really strong closing. So yes, just again keep an eye on this. If the up move continues on an intraday basis, you can definitely make an entry out here. The next trade setup which I have is of course none other than IRCTC. So this is absolutely strong if I were to talk about its recent price action. So again, if I head over to our daily time frame, you can see it out here pretty clearly that the price has, broken out this resistance area pretty strongly today. It is a nice breakout, and obviously you can expect a continuation of this movement, right? So the upside movement has continued till the last trading minutes, and today it was also its dividend day. So yep, it has moved up and the volumes are also looking pretty strong. If I can show that out to you, yes, you can see it clearly that the volumes are looking absolutely strong. So yes, again, this is looking pretty great. If again the same setup applies here, just wait for it to break previous day high, or maybe make some maybe you can try, if it gives a small retracement. If you see some bullish price action forming up at around this zone, then you can make an entry here with the stop loss below this, and eventually you can target for a new high. So that is my trade setup on IRCTC. So obviously this were a few trade setups which I am keeping an eye on for the next 2 to 3 trading sessions. Also, if you want more guidance on this, you have to join our free Telegram membership. That is absolutely amazing for you to capture some nice stock option and cash position trades, right? So the link is in the description. Just go for it right now. For more amazing trade setups, keep following our YouTube channel. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.